What if your laser machine could engrave 100 colors on metal? Meet the xTool F2 Ultra, the fiber laser that's changing everything. This beast packs a 60-watt MOPA fiber laser, powerful enough to deep engrave, color mark, clean, and even cut metal up to 2 millimeters. Dual 48-megapixel AI cameras make focusing automatic, alignment perfect, and accuracy insane. Just 0.2 millimeter error margin. It works on gold, silver, stainless steel, titanium, aluminum, even black marks beautifully. And it's lightning fast, up to 15,000 millimeters per second, cutting production time by 80%. It's smart, fast, and colorful. The future of metal engraving is here. Check the link below for the xTool F2 Ultra and see why creators, jewelers, and engineers are switching today.